Why do you think depression is still misunderstood now, especially in the entertainment industry or Filipino culture?
Depression is misunderstood because there's so many things that they define depression as. So the biggest misinterpretation of depression is that it's sadness, di ba sabi ko kanina? The second misinterpretation of depression is that it is a good thing. Kasi it's neither eh. It's neither good or it's bad. It's just there. Yung yun nga, yung you are not a complete artist if you did not wallow in depression. Ang totoong artist, dapat yung karga. Yun eh. Di. What else is depression defined as culturally? Depression is defined as a lack of social skills. Yung depressed ka kasi wala kang friends. Or hindi ka kasi naglalalabas eh, kasi masyado kang insular. Eh, paano ko introvert lang ako? Introversion does not mean depression eh, di ba? Or depression means the world is against you. No. Everything can be lollipops and roses. And yet, you can still feel a lot of emptiness inside of you. So, in 2025, and in the generation now, Gen Z, wallowing in, Gen Z is so excited about so many words, di ba? We have so many buzzwords. The generation loves inventing things. Na parang, fluid, gender neutral. I mean, again, define naman natin ang depression. Let's finally agree to what it really should mean. Kasi what is it? Is it sadness? It can be. Should it just be sadness? No. Should depression always be connected to a mental disorder? Maybe. But unless we can define it as a community, as a culture, as people, then hindi tayo magkakaintindihan talaga. Kasi your boomer tita will just say you're sad. Drink milk. Your Gen Z friend will say, oh my God, see my therapist. Ganon, di ba? Iba-iba eh. Katakot.